Today we are going to discuss unit 2, okay, that is numbers. Fine. The transport department on Thursday announced that 10,000 special bus services will be operated from November 3 to 5 to accommodate the passengers during the Diwali season. Okay. Of 9,967 special services, 6,367 buses will run from Chennai to other districts and 3,600 will run within districts. Okay. Children, from the above paragraph, let us discuss the following questions. What does this test talk about? And this test is about the special bus services, okay, that will be operated during the Diwali season, right? What is special about the festival? People usually celebrate festival at their hometown, so uh, number of extra number of buses may be needed. Okay, how many of you will go to your relatives home? How many of you would travel to other places during festivals? What do these numbers convey as? What they convey? They convey the information. They convey the number of buses which will be allotted during the festive season. Okay, for the transport of the people. Can you group numbers as odd and even? Yeah, I can. Just like everything in the world, numbers too have a number name. Numbers have names. In first grade, you have studied number names up to 20. Now we will learn the names of larger numbers. You have already learned the number names from 1 to 20, and also the number names of 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Write 1283 in words. 1283 is one way. Other way, 1283. That is the other way. Okay. Write the following numbers in words. Okay, let me write it for at least one or two numbers, right? No. 1000, 1006. Okay, that is the first one. Okay, next one, 6000, 1300, and 27. Okay, 9000. Okay, let me write 9097. Okay, this is 10,000. This is 8,906. Okay, write the numeral for each of the following. Okay, that we will do now. 7,064, right? 7,000, 7,064. Okay, 9,340. 9,340. 5,673. 5,673. 10,000. 4,000, right? 306. Okay. Answer the following questions. Ramu went to bank to deposit 7,500. In the deposit form, he has to fill up the amount in words. Could you please help him? Definitely. 7,500. Okay. Find the sum of the greatest two digits and the greatest three-digit numbers. Write the number names of that sum. Okay. Sum of the greatest two-digit number. Greatest two-digit number is 99. If you add 9 and 9, you will get 18, right? So you have to write 18. Greatest three-digit number is 999. 999. So if we add one more 9 to 18, it will be 27. Okay, right. Number name is 27. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in one's place are called odd numbers. The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in one's place are called even numbers. These are few examples. To identify whether the given number is odd or even, it is enough to look at the last digit or digit in one's place. Circle the odd numbers box and write their names in the following boxes. 8, 1, 2, 3 definitely odd. Okay. 2973 also odd, and 8841 and 1045 5667 7483. Okay, these are the odd numbers, right? Now you have to fill up this table with these. Okay, with these 5 numbers, and you have to write the number name as well. Encircle the odd numbers from the following. Odd numbers from the following. See, 1 is there in the ones place, that means that is odd number. Okay, next one is this 7603. 3 is there in ones place, right? So that is odd number. So 5 is there in ones place in this example, so this is also odd number. 7 is there in ones place, so this is also odd number. Encircle the even numbers from the following. Even numbers, 0 is there, right, in one's place, so this is even. 2 means even. Okay, 4 also even. 6 also even. Okay, 8 also even. These are even numbers. Choose the even numbers from the following and write the number and number names. Choose the even numbers from the following. This is even number. This is also even number. Now you need to write the number name in the given box. Okay. Choose the odd numbers from the following and write their number names. 4073, 2003, 4017, 2001. These are odd numbers. Write the numbers with respect to. Now you need to write the number name also. Write the number with respect to place value expansion. Let us recall the expanded form of a number. Oh, 534 means 5 hundreds are there, 3 30s are there, 4 ones are there, right? So 500 plus 30 plus 4, like that. Okay, the place value of 5 is 1000, so 5000. The place value of 2 is 100, so 200. The place value of 6 is 10, so 60. The place value of 9 is 1, so 9. The face value of digit is the digit itself at whatever place it may be. It is unchangeable and definite. But place value changes according to the digit's place. Place value of digit equal to face value of the place value of the digit equal to place value of a digit equal to face value of digit into value of the place. Okay. In the number 2745, place value of 5 is 1, place value of 4 is 10, so 4 into 10. Place value of 7 is 100, so 7 into 100. Place value of 2 is 1000, so 2 into 1000. So the face value remains same, but the place value will change. Find the face value and place value of a colored digit in the given number. Given numbers. Colored digit in the given numbers. Complete the table with the numbers in expanded or short form. 6000 plus 700 like that. Okay, let me write it. Okay, keep it here. 6000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 5. Okay, this is expanded form. Okay, now short form. How to write short form? Here we will write the short form. 4296. So 4296. Like that you complete this table. Okay, circle the correct answer. 5000 plus 300 plus 2 ones. Out of these two, which one is correct? 5000 is must be there, 300 must be there, not 20. 2 only, right? Right, 2 is in one's place. The place value of 5 in 3758, 50. Okay, 5 into 10. 3660. 3660. 4690. 4690. Okay. Take the number cards from 1 to 9, plain sheets and pens for each group. Divide the class in group. Form a number using number cards. Write its number's name. Write its expanded form. Write the place value of each digit. Teacher will keep checking the work done by the groups. Comparing numbers. Able to sequence an arbitrary array of numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means arranging from smallest to the greatest, right? Which one is the smallest in these? 4 to 7 8 is smallest. Thereafter 4 7 1 7. Thereafter 4 8 7 5 4 9 2 3. This is ascending order. Okay. In descending order, biggest to the smallest. Which is biggest here? 6 to 7 1. Thereafter 5 to 3 2. Then 5 1 7 2. Then 4 8 7 1. Then 4234. So this is descending order. So the reverse of ascending order is nothing but descending order. That you can verify. Okay. Write the following numbers in ascending order. I have to write for at least for one, right? I will choose A then. Okay. Now here will write it here. Ascending order, right? So I have to take small one first. 5436 is the smallest among the given numbers. Thereafter 70631. Okay, 7631. Thereafter 7634. Then 8918. Okay. Then the biggest one 99987. Okay. So this is ascending order. Okay, 5436 7631 7634 8918 9987. Okay, now we will choose A in second question and we will write descending order. Okay, descending means largest one being the first, that means 6544 in the given example. Thereafter 3670 3670 and then 3435 3435 and then 3267. Okay, last one being the smallest among the given numbers. Okay, so this is descending order. This is how you have to go, and you should be doing BC of this part in second question and BC of first question. Okay, that you have to do by yourself. Choose the correct milestone and place it. What is this? Choose the correct milestone and place it. Okay, 0 km here, 495, 495 kilometers. After 495 kilometers, write the total number of students class wise in your school. Write them in ascending and descending order. Okay, from place to place. Chennai to Pondicherry approximate distance 132. Chennai to Hyderabad 511. Chennai to Kolkata 1363. Chennai to Delhi 757. Chennai to Mumbai 1025. Chennai to Guwahati 1891. Locate it in the map. The find out feasible way to travel to all places. Beginning with the shortest place to place, plan your route. Beginning with the longest place, plan travel route. Which place do you reach in shorter time on road? Which place will take longer time for you to reach on rail? Can you guess between dash and dash? The ticket fare would be at least. Forming the smallest and largest numbers using the given digits. Okay, if these digits are given 4297, which is the smallest number? Smallest of them must go at first place. Okay, thereafter this one's smaller among 497. Okay, this is smallest, so next smallest digit is 4. Thereafter next smallest digit is 7. Remaining digit is 9. So this is the smallest number. This is how we will form smallest number. Okay, when one of the digits is 0, we arrange the digits in ascending order and put 0 at second place. Yes, 0 at second place from the extreme left while forming the number. Okay, otherwise if you put 0 here, it will not become 4 digit number, it will become 3 digit number. That is the reason. Okay, to write the greatest number using the given digits, first you have to take the greatest digit here. Okay, next greatest here, next greatest here, the remaining digit here. Form the greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits only once. That's good. Greatest number 7431. Okay, smallest number 1347. Just in the opposite way, right? If you find the greatest number, you can easily find smallest number by reversing the digits. That's it. 9 5 3 0. This is greatest digit, greatest number. Okay. Smallest number. Now in this case it is not the reverse order. Why? Because 0 at the end, right? Now 3059. Okay. If you put 0 at the starting place, it will become 3 digit number, 359. Okay. That is the reason why you have to take the next smallest number after 0 at the first place and 0 in the second place. Okay. Now you got it, I guess. Okay. 7651. Okay. Next one here, 1567. 1567. Okay. Oh, like that you proceed. Circle the smallest number and tick the greatest number. In this smallest number, so 2 at the beginning, thereafter 1. Okay. Then 5. So this is smallest number. Yeah, we circled it, right? No? Let me circle it again. Okay. This is smallest number. Which one is greatest number then? 7 has to come first. Okay. So this is the greatest number. Smallest in this 200, 2000, that is smallest. Okay. Highest being 9000. In this 1425 is the smallest number. Okay. Highest 9646. Highest or greatest. 1370 smallest number. Okay. Greatest number being 5931. In this 4000 is smallest, 9000 is highest. Okay. In this 2000 is smallest. Smallest has to be encircled. Okay. Highest being 7906. Smallest will be 3000. Highest 9000. Okay. In a school, 1232 students travel by cycle, 2430 students travel by school bus, and 1235 walk to the school. Okay, how many students are there in the school? Now add them up, you will get the number of the students. Fill in the boxes. 4634 plus something is 4634. Then that something must be 0 only. 2134 plus 1, 2135. 1923 plus 1435. This is 1 only. Okay. You fill the other 3, second, third and fourth. Now I need to add digits. Very simple. 4 6 7 8. 4 6 7 8. Okay. Okay. Likewise, you finish the remaining Here's numbers. Okay. A man visited a furniture shop. He bought a bed for 2,100, dining table for 3,500, and 6 chairs for 4,200. How much money did he pay to the shopkeeper? Add them up, you will get the answer. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So 4, 3, 7, 9. 9,800. Okay. Create word problem for the addition facts given below. So this is 6,000. Right? Yes, 6,000. Now we need to fill up these numbers such that sum of the numbers along a line must be equal to 5,000. Okay. 15, 17, 18. Right. 17, 18 is 35. 35 plus 15 is right. So for suppose let's write some number 15 by reducing its size 1500 here. Okay. And 1700 somewhere, maybe here. Yes. 1800 here, 1800 here. Fine. Okay, this is how we fill it up to here. Okay. What is the number I want to fill it here? It will be 1700. You can also try with 1800. It won't work because in this line 1800 is already there, so you cannot fill 1800. In this line already 1500 is there, so you cannot fill 1500, so you need to fill only 1700. Here you can fill 1500, right? Here let us take rectangle and fill 1500. Here you can fill 1500. Okay, not a big deal. Okay. 1500, 1700, what is remaining? 1800 is remaining, so 1800 will go to here. Somewhere you have to start, right? So I started with 1500 here and made 1700. This is not the unique combination. If you proceed 1800 here, 1700 here also, you can complete this one in a quite different way. Okay, but still sum must be equal to 5000. That is how you have to proceed. 15, 18, 17, 15, 18, 17. Okay, 17, 15, 18. Okay, so this is correct. Fine. Fill in the box with a number. Fill in the box with a number. What does that mean? Okay, subtract 1732 from 2051. You will get some number, right? fill that number. Okay, adding 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, 1957 2376 4697 you need to add. Okay, this is the example given. Okay, anyway, let me explain the example also. 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 7 20. So 0 will be here and 2 will be added to the tens place. This is 20, right? This is ones place, you cannot write 2 here. Okay, 0 will ones place number, you will write it here. At tens place will be given to the corresponding place. Okay, that means in tens place this 2 will go. Now you add all these 4. 2 plus 5 7, 7 7 14, 14 plus 9 23, 3 will come here. Okay, again 2 will not come here because that is 100, its place value is 100, it will go here. Again add these 4 numbers, 11 plus 3 14 20, 0 will remain here because it is hundreds place, right? And the 2 will go to thousand place, 3 5 9. Okay, so 9030, like that. Fine. Now he's telling in a quite different way. We need to write the missing numbers here. This is a little bit tricky, but let's find it out. 3 plus 7 how much? 10. Here it should be 4, right? So if it has to be 4 here, then it has to be 4 here also, right? Let us increase the size because it is not visible, right? Fine. Okay, now 1 will go here. Let me write that one also. Okay, for our reference. Okay, otherwise it is not needed. Now you add them up. 8 plus 3 how much? 11, right? 11. So it should be 17 here, then it must be how much? 6, right? 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 6 17. Okay, again that one will go to hundreds place. Okay, because its place value is 100. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3, yeah, 4 plus 9 13, 3 here, 1 here. Okay, again one has to go to the thousand place, its proper place. Okay, 3 plus 1 how much? 4. Remaining is how much? 8 minus 4 is 4, so this must be 4. In this way you have to proceed with the other uh, uh, with 2 also. Okay, there are only 2 in this exercise. Write the following numbers in a vertical order and add. Okay, that you can do, I think by now. You can, you will be able to do this one, I guess. Add the total amount of following 4 piggy banks. Piggy banks. Okay, add these 4 amounts and write the sum here. Okay, second one also you have to do by yourself. Okay, I will do third one. 3 plus 7 10 15, so 5 will come at the end. Okay, in all the 4 places 5 is at the end, that means last digit. Okay, now that 1 will be added here in the tens place. 3 plus 7 10 16, 16 plus 1 7, 7 has to come, so this is the answer. Okay, fine. Let me cross check. 7 3 plus 7 10 16 17 1 2 8 11 4. What happened? 15. Okay, 3 plus 7 10 16 1 17 7 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 2 13, 3 here, 1 here, 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. Okay, this is correct. Similarly, we will proceed with the other numbers also. 5, 11, 17. 7 at the 7 is the last digit. Okay, 5, 11, 17, 6. Okay, plus 7 13, 13 plus 7 20, 27. Again 7. So 2 will go here. 9, 9 18, 18 plus 2 20. So this is the correct answer. Okay. What is the sum of 5 hundreds and 15 tens? Sum of 5 hundreds, sum of 5 hundreds, that is 500, 15 tens, 150. 500 plus 150, 650. So this is the answer. The sum of the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number is, sum of the greatest 3-digit number, okay, and the sum of the smallest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 3-digit number? No, 999. Okay, one number is 999. The other number, smallest 4-digit number, is 1000. Okay, so sum of these two, 1000, 99. Okay, this is 10,000. Now, in a village, the number of males is 4154 and the number of females is 4221. Find the total population of the village. Add these two up, you will get. A refrigerator costs 6543 and a DVD player costs 3412. What is the total cost? Add these two, you will get. Subtraction without regrouping. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Right. Now, subtraction rules. 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 3 3, 8 minus 3 5, 9 minus 2 7. Okay. This is 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 5 0, 9 minus 7 2, 8 minus 6 2. Okay. Now we will proceed in the similar way, not like that, like this. This is 1. Okay. Next one is 4. Next one is 3. Next one is 6. Okay. Okay. So these are simpler. You can do on your own. Subtraction with regrouping. These two you have to subtract. 7 minus 5, how much? 2. You have to write 2 here. Okay, let me write 2 here. In the step 1 only I am doing all those steps. Okay. See, 5 is 8 is greater than 5, right? So you cannot subtract 8 from 5. So now you take 110 from here. Here it will become 5. 15 minus 8, how much? Yes, 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. Since we took 100 from here, okay, this will become 5. Okay. 5. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. Okay. 5 minus 3 again? 2. Not again. Initially, the previous one is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 2. Yeah, 5 minus 2. Now it is 5 minus 3. Okay. So answer is 2372. The sum of two numbers is 4204. One number is 1207. Find the other number. Simple, 4204 minus 1207. This is the answer. Okay. Proceed in the same way. Now let me take one example. Okay. Let me solve one example. Since in the same way 5 is lesser number, 8 is greater number. Take 110 from here. 15 minus 8 how much? 7. 7, write 7 here. No, in one's place. Okay. And then and then this will become 3 only, right? Since we took 110, that will become 3 only. No, it will go. So that is 3. Now 3 is smaller than 4. So now take 110, 100 from here. 13 minus 4. How much? 13 minus 4. Yeah, quick, 9. Right. No. 9. Okay. Now this also will become 3. Since we took 1 from there, it will also become 3. 3 minus 3 is how much? 0. Okay, this is 0. 3 minus 2 is, so sorry, 3 minus 1 is 2. So that is how you need to solve. Okay. Do it for the other numbers also. Find the difference between the given numbers. Find the difference. 5020 minus 4352. Okay. Subtract a smaller number from the greater number. Answer the following questions. The sum of the two numbers is 7036. One number is 3168. Find the other number. Subtract this number from this number, you will get the other number. A man had 9200 in the bank. He withdrew 2756. How much money does he have in the bank now? Subtract this number from this number, you will get the answer. Create the subtraction stories from the details given below. Okay, that you do. Number puzzle. Solve the subtraction problems. Now write the differences. One has been done for you. Okay. This minus this. Okay. Okay. I am also doing one for you. Okay. Okay. 3 minus 1 2. 5 minus 0 5. No. Now 3 is lesser than 9, so take 1 from here. 13 minus 9 is how much? 4. Okay. Since we took 1000, 1000, 1 from here it will remain 1 only, right? So that will remain 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the answer. Okay. Now do for the rest of the numbers. Okay. We completed lesson number 2, guys. Thank you. Nandri, Vanakkam.